Kasunjuk ki prashnong haka khatsau tarik rempang, kila kentu ya Menteri Ketenat CNRD UAT Mondal, ban kentup ya ki prateli ki shnong hapoh Ri Bhoi District, hapoh ka skim Pradhan Menteri Awas Yojana PMAY. Kasunjuk kala ai da kador khat sya Menteri, bat kentu ya u ban tuklar, bat ban ai bhak kerpang ya ki prateli ki shnong, naka skim PMAY. Kine ki shnong ki kentup ya ka skun, shangling, rangsai, lengkedai berhing, paham rio lum, paham rio them, bat syang bangla Ri Bhoi District.
A memorandum to the Honorable Minister to grant us the PMAYG scheme, which means the 8 villages we have been stopped to avail this scheme since 2013, and the reason was that these 8 villages were included in the Hapoh Town Committee, which is considered to be urban area, and we are not qualified for PMAYG scheme. But subsequently, in the year 2020, the District Council, through a notification, has excluded us the 8 villages from the Hapoh Town Committee, and now all the 8 villages, they are included in the rural areas. So from our side, we have come and met the Honorable Minister, and we talked with him, and from his side he has promised to take up this matter, and we are very optimistic that soon we will avail the scheme for our people. The people in our area will be benefited. That means they will get a good house, dwelling house. Moreover, the people in our areas, most of them, they are poor and underprivileged women, so this is their needs for their daily life. So he has just promised us to take up this matter with the Honorable Chief Minister.